yeah, starting the day.
We're gonna take it for testing.
We got the sparklers put into the Dodge Challenger.
He asked me to turn the TV on. Age cars. It'd be nice, you know, my wife will give her.
Welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. Well, today we are going to try to put some speakers in the Goldwing. But a few things we got to get done. Before that, my wife hooked me up with a couple of these 5,000 aluminum shop lights. And I'm going to try to install those real quick because it's getting quite dark in here because that light is not working correctly. That was not working correctly. And that was not too bad. So I'm at least going to try to hang one up there and one back here in the shop tool area where it used to be, because that one up there does not work at all. So hopefully got two 5,000 aluminums that help us get some better lighting in here. So I was going to try to time lapse it, but since I got to turn the lights off so I don't get electrocuted, don't put them up. So I got my nifty little headlight here. And yeah, hopefully we'll come back when we got them installed. And then we'll get working on the Goldwing. So, all right, hold on a second and come back when the lights are up, hopefully. Hey, how's it going? Well, we finally got the lights done. It's been a pain in the butt. I should have time-lapsed it. But, yeah. So far, we have gotten 3 new lights in. We got the 2 way over there. Let's see. That's a 5,000 aluminum. That one's a 5,000 aluminum, which lights up my table pretty good. But as we were playing with them, that one decided to not work anymore. Of course, I knew the ballast was going out in that one for a while, so we were just like, oh well. So eventually I'm gonna buy another one, put up there. And then over here, we finally got some light so we can see our sink area. Of course, you know, I've got a lot of stuff in this area because we couldn't see for a while, so I just piled it in there. So now I got to reorganize. Was gonna go ahead and put the speakers in today. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Because at first I went and bought some speakers. I guess I measured wrong, and I got these nice Pioneer 300 watt 5 1/4. They do not fit. They are a little big. So I was like, well, I'll go try a different one. So I went and bought these Duals 4-way speakers, 4-inch. And they are too small. So I need the ones in the middle, 4.5s. Nowhere in town. I went and looked before I started this video to see if I could find any 4.5s. But there's no 4.5s anywhere in town. So I'm going to have to order them and wait on them. So hopefully here in a little bit, the delivery guy will be here with the fuel filter. And at least we can get that put in today. Not really much to do on the Goldwing until freight shows up. Hopefully it shows up. It says it's out for delivery, but between now and 8 o'clock. So I guess it's time to take a lunch break and see if they show up. Because I know last week's episode, I put the tack in and I didn't even show it to you. It was funny. You know, you turn it on. Let's see, full choke. So the tack does work. Oh, and the other thing I did to it, which I didn't do on video, which I should have did on video, is I put bulb headlights, new headlights in, so those are good to go. I didn't even check to see if the high beams work. High beams, yeah. So we got high beams now. Both low beams are on, but again, now we're waiting on parts. Always waiting on parts. I did get the stuff for the Volkswagen motor, but that's to be coming soon. So let's wait on the parts for the fuel filter and we'll at least get that in today. Okay, it ended up being another day because I had to go search for some speakers. Oh my God. First, you know, I showed you I bought the 5 1/4s, the 4s. Well, I had to go find some 4 1/2s. So got me some Rossford Gate 4 1/2s. So let's get the GoPro on my head and let's get these installed. But a slight update from, yes, it is another day. But we did get our new lights in, so it is helping me a little bit right here. We still need to replace that one because it's not that bright, which is right over the bike, which would have been nice because my table looks pretty good. Of course, it's dirty in here. But yeah, we're going to get the camera on our head and let's get started. Get these in and get the thing back together so we can hit the road. All right, well, we got these nice looking false gates. Let's get this opened up. Let's check them out. These are 4 1/4, so hopefully they fit, unlike the last 2 set I bought. So hopefully you've seen this. These are pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's see if that'll fit in the holes. Oh, gonna have to do a little trimming. So we got this one in. We are gonna have to, looks like maybe trim up the top and the bottom with the die grinder. But it looks good in there. So now we're moving on to the second one. Really easy. Pull the speaker out, unplug it, set it to the side, grab our new one, and just plug her on in. There you go. And then what I did is I ended up having to pull these clips out because I had to drill new holes, which I didn't want to, but it's really hard finding speakers for this thing. So, and we're going to do the same thing we did on that side. Get the speaker about where we want it, because this little notch right here, and then I'll screw it in and we'll come back, we'll chop these off. And if you haven't seen the video of me taking this apart, I'll try to link it one of the corners and see how we got to this point. And then hopefully here in a second, when I get these in, cut them up, get the dash back together, and go for a ride. All right, after some slight trimming, we got these cut off and the little ears on the bottom. So hopefully this will fit back on there if I put it on the right direction. So. Prego, done. Nice new speakers put in. I would turn them on, but all I have is radio and it's copyrighted music, so I can't show you that. But again, if you haven't seen the disassembly, I'll link it in the top, like I said earlier, somewhere, and or in the description. And let's get this thing back together. So in 3, 2, 1. So like that, we got it back together. And it's time to see if it'll start and go for a ride. Oh yeah, high idle, due to the choke. Yeah. Well, so that's gonna end us for today. I got my hoodie on, got the bike running. We're about to go for a nice ride. Decent day. So remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you'd like to see us work on. We got a few other projects, the Baja, the Ford, the Passat. Got a few things coming finally in the mail. And all y'all out there, stay safe. Remember to show me some love, support, all y'all guys. Love y'all. All right, have a great day.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store.